It's Wednesday the 20th of January and it's time for some maths today. So we've been working really hard on and looking at some number sentences alongside, and we looked at lots of or multiplication or times yesterday, and we're going to have a look today at multiplying using arrays today, and I'll explain what an array is a little bit later, so don't worry. So let's have a look. What does this symbol mean again? That's right, it's the times, the lots of, or the multiplication symbol. Can we have a go at counting in twos, fives and tens? Can you pause the video and count to your grown-up in twos, then in fives, and then in tens? I hope you've been counting in two, fives and tens to your grown-ups. If so, I'm sure they're very impressed with your skills. So we're going to have a look at this number sentence here. This says 2 times or lots of 2. 2 lots of 2. Okay, and if we can count in twos, we know what 2 lots of 2 is, or 2 times 2. How could we draw 2 lots of 2 though to solve this problem? Let's think back to yesterday when we were doing our group. We could draw circles. This is called an array. It shows 2 lots of 2. We have 1, 2 circles at the top. That's 2, that's that first 2. And we have 2 circles there. That's 2 lots of 2. 2 lots of 2. Just go back and think about the answer. So 2 lots of 2 is 4. Well done, because we can see 4 circles there. So let's think about this number sentence. 3 times 5, or 3 lots of 5. How many lots will there be? 3 lots of 5. So there'll be 3, won't there? 3 lots of 5. Okay, so there's going to be 5 on each row because we're doing 3 lots of 5. So we're going to do 5 on each row and then 3 lots of that. Shall we have a look what that looks like? There we go. This is what it looks like. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles on each row. We've got 3 lots of those rows. So 3 lots of 5 circles. And we draw them like this to make sure we can see they're equal and to make sure there's no mistakes made when we're adding them up. So let's have a look at this number sentence. 1 lot of 10. How many lots will there be? Well done, there will be 1 lot, but how many will be in each row? Excellent, there will be 10 in each row. Shall we have a look? See what that looks like. There we go. We have got, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 circles. There's only 1 lot of them, so 1 lot of 10. Okay, we're going to have a little go at drawing this number sentence. We're going to do 3 lots of 2. So, for a start, how many counters do we need? Well done, we need 2 counters. I'm going to do 1, 2 counters. But how many lots of those counters do we need? We need 3 lots of 2 counters. So let's do 3 lots. So that's 1 lot on this first row. Here we go. This is now 2 lots. And now we're going to make 3 lots. There we go. We've got 3 lots of 2. And if we were finding the answer to that, we know we can count in twos, can't we? So we could do 2, 4, 6. And the answer would be 6. Excellent. Well done. So now it's your turn. We're going to have a go at making the array for 4 lots of 2. So do you think you could explain to your grown-up how many would be on the, how many counters there would be and how many lots of those counters there would be? You can pause the video. Welcome back. I hope that you have told your grown-up this, that we need 4 lots of 2. We need 2 counters, but we need 4 lots of them. Well done if you did that. Now, have another go. Tell your grown-up, or you can even draw it on a piece of paper if you want to. Have a go at making an array for 8 times 2, or 8 lots of 2. Pause the video. I hope this is what it looks like. I hope you have made 8 lots of 2. Well done. Now again, if we were looking for the answer to this, we can count in 2s, can't we? So we could do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, because we can count in 2s. If you're struggling, remember you can use your number square and you can use your number line to help you. So in times tables, the number can be swapped around and you still get the same answer. That's the magic thing about times tables. We can swap that number around. This is called commutativity. That's a very big word, isn't it? So we've gone, ooh, that's a very big word, commutativity. So it just means that we can swap the numbers around and we still get the same answer. And let's have a look at this example below. So we've got 2 times 4, or 2 lots of 4 equals 8. So we could draw that this way. We could draw 4 circles and 2 lots of them. So 2 lots of 4 circles, and the answer is 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. However, we can swap those numbers around and we could do 4 lots of 2, and the answer would still be 8. Do you remember how we taught you in class that with addition you can swap the numbers, with multiplication or times tables you can swap the numbers, but you can't with subtraction or taking away? That makes it still. Right, so we could do 4 times 2 equals 8, or 4 lots of 2 equals 8, okay? So you remember you can swap the numbers around with times tables or multiplication. So if we know that 3 times 5 is 15, what then is 5 times 3? I hope you said it's also 15, because we can swap those numbers around. And if you know that 4 times 10 is 40, what is 10 times 4? Again, I hope you said it's still 40, because we can swap those numbers around. In the assignment page today, can you have a go at answering the multiplication problems using arrays? You may need to draw the arrays on a piece of paper, or you can use objects to make them. So if you've got counters in your house or any other objects you've got, you can make arrays with them. It's up to you. So these are the multiplication problems, and have a go at making them. You can send in a photograph on the submit page on the Teams, or you can write the answer in the assignment page. I'll pop a little page on there for the assignment answers. Well done. Now, if you've done that brilliantly, we've got another challenge for you. So this challenge said, Ben draws an array to help him solve 4 times 3, or 4 lots of 3. Why does he get the answer wrong? Can you write your explanation in the assignment page? Well done, Year 2. We're very proud of you. Don't forget to submit your work so we can see it every day. Well done. Bye, Year 2.